The Kenya Defence Forces continue Kenya's proud tradition of participation in the United Nations peacekeeping operations in various parts of the world. Kenya has always stood shoulder to shoulder with all the nations and peoples of the world who adhere to the universal principles of utmost respect for human rights, democracy, as well as freedom. We shall never waver from that solemn commitment, and each graduate here should expect to be called upon to continue that tradition wherever the demands of keeping the peace may be required.
Tumshangilie Beki Juma kwa makofi mazuri tafadhali.